Come take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 two-wheel drive Ext cab 143.5 LS. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts an engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. This vehicle comes equipped with power windows, steering wheel radio controls, tinted windows and fog lights. Call 910-798-2727 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.